In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to truncate text in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned Webflow designer or just starting out, understanding how to manage text display effectively can enhance your site's appearance and usability. Truncating text is particularly useful when you want to maintain a clean and organized look without overwhelming your users with too much information at once. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to webflow.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Webflow is a powerful web design tool that combines visual design with the flexibility of code. By logging in, you'll have access to all the projects and sites you've worked on, making it easy to manage and edit them. Next, you'll want to select the specific site you're working on. This is done by navigating to your dashboard where all your sites are listed. Click on the site you want to edit, and this will open up the Webflow Designer for that project. The Designer is where all the magic happens, allowing you to visually construct your web pages with ease. Once you're in the Designer, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. You'll find a series of icons there, but for our purposes, you want to click on the Navigator icon. The Navigator is a crucial tool in Webflow as it allows you to see the structure of your page and easily locate the elements you want to work with. Now, using the Navigator, find the paragraph element that you want to truncate. This might be a text block that's larger than you'd like, or perhaps a section where you want to keep the content concise. Click on this paragraph to select it. Selection is key because it tells Webflow which element you want to modify. After selecting the paragraph, look over to the right side of the screen. Here, you'll see a range of styling options. What you're looking for is the option to truncate the text. Click on this option to bring up the truncation settings. Truncating text helps in keeping your page tidy and ensuring that your design remains consistent, especially when dealing with dynamic content that varies in length. At this point, you have two choices for truncating your text: clip or ellipses. Clicking on clip will cut off the text abruptly at the designated point, while choosing ellipses will add 3 dots at the end, indicating that there's more content that isn't being displayed. The choice between these two depends on the context of your design and the user experience you're aiming for. If you want users to know there's more content, ellipsis is a good choice. If it's a straightforward cut off, then clip might be more appropriate. And that's it. You've just learned how to truncate text in Webflow. By following these steps, you can ensure your web designs are both visually appealing and user-friendly. Practice this technique in your projects to see how it can improve the overall look and feel of your website. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.